Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on Lazada. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on Lazada. Maybe because you want to purchase something, or maybe you have heard a lot about this app that this app has a lot of amazing promotions and discounts, so you want to give it a try, or maybe you have seen something on the internet which is on this app and you want to purchase, so you want to create account on it, or there could be any other reason for you to create your account on Lazada. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Lazada app, and once the app gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, first it will ask you for some of the permissions, so you may allow it, deny it, and after that you have to select the country. It only has 6 countries, so you have to choose within them. Make sure that you use only the country in which you're living in so that products get delivered to you. Once you have selected a country, now it will show you like this, like you can go through all of the products, but you cannot purchase them. If you want to purchase them, you must have an account. Therefore, what you have to do is that at the bottom you could see we have 5 options. You have to tap onto the right bottom option, which is the account one. Once you tap onto that option, you will be able to create your account and then could purchase. Once you get here, first you will read login or sign up. So you have to click onto that option and then you will get here. Now, if you want to create your account, you could create it by giving your contact number to it, or maybe you can use your Apple ID, your Gmail, or Facebook account. It's all up to you. You can go with any one of these options. I'm going with Apple ID, but otherwise it's all up to you. Whatever you prefer, you can go with it. And after that, it will show you that if you want to enable Face ID or not. So you may enable it or maybe click on maybe later, and after that it will show you this, and just simply click on it and your account will be created. So here you can see your account has been created. It didn't ask for a lot of question, but if you will go for purchase, then you have to enter your details like your name, your contact detail, your address, and after that the products will be able to get delivered to your place. But for now, you can enjoy the app, you can explore different products, can check out them, and if you like them, you can add them into your cart. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create your account on Lazada. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.